Hey, welcome to the new LoveLiveSave. If you've been here to my YouTube channel before, you will notice that my deal videos received a rather significant makeover this week, and it's for a really good reason. I am now offering closed captioning with my deal videos to cater to those who are hearing impaired, or if you're in an environment where you can't listen to the audio of my videos, now you can read it as text down below. So this is the very first deal video that I am testing this out on. If you could do me a huge favor, leave a comment down below. Let me know how you enjoyed it, what you think of the new makeover. I would really appreciate it. Okay, so let's get started. For our first laundry deal, you could grab one of the 10-ounce size bottles of Gain Fireworks for $6.95 and then clip the $2 off Gain Fireworks digital coupon. Grab one bottle of the Downy Infusions In-Wash Scent Booster for $4.50 and then clip the $1 off Downy digital coupon. Grab one of the big 129-ounce size bottles of Downy Fabric Softener for $9.95 and then clip the $3 off Downy digital coupon. And then finally grab 2 boxes of the 3-count Colgate toothpaste for $4 each, so that makes them $8 for both. And then clip the $6 off of 2 Colgate digital coupon. And then we're also going to get a $2 instant savings for spending $8 or more on Colgate products. When we add everything up before coupons, our total retail value comes to $29.40. Now, before I forget to mention, the reason why this total retail value is a little bit higher is to accommodate for the instant savings. Whenever you do a deal with an instant savings, your total has to be your $25 requirement plus the instant savings. So, for example, with this deal, our total retail value had to be at least $27, which we did. And then we have $14 worth of coupons. So that makes our subtotal $15.40 minus that 5 off 25 Saturday digital coupon makes our final total only $10.40 plus tax out of pocket for everything. For our second laundry deal, you could grab one pack of Schick razors. It is $4.50 and then clip the $3 off Schick razor digital coupon. Grab one of the big bottles of Arm & Hammer laundry detergent. It is $11 and then clip the $2 off Arm & Hammer laundry detergent digital coupon. Grab one of the 150-ounce size bottles of extra laundry detergent. It is $5.50 and then clip this $1 off extra detergent digital coupon. And then finally grab one more bottle of that extra laundry detergent, again $5.50, and this time clip this other $1 off extra laundry detergent digital coupon. When we add everything up before coupons, our total retail value comes to $26.50. We have $7 worth of coupons, so that makes our subtotal $19.50 minus that 5 off 25 Saturday digital coupon makes our final total only $14.50 plus tax out of pocket for everything. For our third laundry deal, you could grab 2 of the 60-ounce size bottles of Shout Refill for $5.50 each, so that makes them $11 for both bottles. And then we're going to get a $3 instant savings for spending $10 or more on Shout products. Grab one of the big bottles of Downy Fabric Softener, the 129-ounce size, for $9.95, and then clip the $3 off Downy digital coupon. Grab 2 of the 3-count boxes of Colgate toothpaste. They're $4 each, so that makes them $8 for both boxes, and then clip the $6 off of 2 Colgate digital coupon. And then we're also going to get a $2 instant savings for spending $8 or more on Colgate products. And then finally grab one of the big bottles of extra laundry detergent. It is $5.50. And then clip the $1 off extra laundry detergent digital coupon. When we add everything up before coupons, our total retail value comes to $34.45. We have $15 worth of coupons, so that makes our subtotal $18.45 minus that 5 off 25 Saturday digital coupon makes our final total only $13.45 plus tax out of pocket for everything. For our fourth laundry deal, you could grab one pack of Schick razors for $4.50 and then clip the $3 off Schick razor digital coupon. Grab one of the big 54 count tubs of Tide Pods for $17.95 and then clip the $3 off Tide Pods digital coupon. And then finally grab two of the 3 count boxes of Colgate toothpaste for $4 each, which makes them $8 for both boxes. And then clip the $6 off of 2 Colgate digital coupon. And then again, we're also going to get a $2 instant savings for spending $8 more on Colgate products. When we add everything up before coupons, our total retail value comes to $30.45. We have $14 worth of coupons, so that makes our subtotal $16.45. Minus that 5 off 25 Saturday digital coupon makes our final total only $11.45 plus tax out of pocket for everything. For our fifth laundry deal, you could grab one pack of Schick razors for $4.50 and then clip the $3 off Schick razor digital coupon. Grab one of the big bottles of Downy fabric softener for $9.95 and then clip the $3 off Downy fabric softener digital coupon. Grab one bottle of Downy Infusions fabric softener. It is $4.50 and then clip the $1 off Downy fabric softener digital coupon. And then finally grab one bottle of Gain fabric softener for $6.95 and then clip the $2 off Gain fabric softener digital coupon. When we add everything up before coupons, our total retail value comes to $25.90. We have $9 worth of coupons, so that makes our subtotal $16.90. Minus that 5 off 25 Saturday digital coupon makes our final total only $11.90 plus tax out of pocket for everything. For our sixth laundry deal, you could grab one bottle of Clorox fabric sanitizer. It is $4 and then clip the $1 off of one Clorox fabric sanitizer digital coupon. Grab 2 more bottles of that Clorox fabric sanitizer. Again, they are $4 each, so that makes them $8 for both bottles. And then clip the $1 off of 2 Clorox products digital coupon. Grab one bottle of Lysol laundry sanitizer. It is $6 and then clip the $1.50 off Lysol laundry sanitizer digital coupon. Grab one of the smaller size bottles of Arm & Hammer laundry detergent. It is $4.50 and then clip the $1 off of one Arm & Hammer laundry detergent digital coupon. And then finally grab 2 packs of Febreze small spaces. They are $3 each, so that makes them $6 for both packs. And then clip the $3 off of 2 Febreze small spaces digital coupon. When we add everything up before coupons, our total retail value comes to $28.50. We have $7.50 worth of coupons, so that makes our subtotal $21 minus that 5 off 25 Saturday digital coupon. Makes our final total only $16 plus tax out of pocket for everything. For our seventh laundry deal, you could grab one pack of Schick razors for $4.50 and then clip the $3 off one Schick razor digital coupon. Grab one pack of the Bic Us razors. It is $9 and then clip the $5 off one Bic Us razor digital coupon. Grab one box of the Suavitel dryer sheets for $1.75 and then clip the 50 cents off of one Suavitel dryer sheets digital coupon. Grab one box of the Downy Infusions dryer sheets for $4.50 and then clip the $1 off of one Downy dryer sheets digital coupon. And then finally grab one of the 200 count boxes of Gain dryer sheets. It is $6.95 and then clip the $2 off of one Gain dryer sheets digital coupon. When we add everything up before coupons, our total retail value comes to $26.70. We have $11.50 worth of coupons, so that makes our subtotal $15.20. Minus that 5 off 25 Saturday digital coupon makes our final total only $10.20 plus tax out of pocket for everything. For our 8th laundry deal, you could grab 2 of the 3-pound tubs of OxyClean for $8.50 each, so that makes them $17 for both tubs. We don't have a digital coupon for it, but that's okay. Grab 2 boxes of the 3-count Colgate toothpaste for $4 each, so that makes them $8 for both boxes. And then clip the $6 off of 2 Colgate toothpaste digital coupon. And then we are also going to get a $2 instant savings for spending $8 or more on Colgate products. And then finally grab one of the 18-ounce size bottles of Palmolive dish soap for $2.50, and then clip the 75 cents off Palmolive dish soap digital coupon. When we add everything up before coupons, our total retail value comes to $27.50. We have $8.75 worth of coupons, so that makes our subtotal $18.75. Minus that 5 off 25 Saturday digital coupon makes our final total only $13.75 plus tax out of pocket for everything. For our 9th laundry deal, you could grab one of the 90-ounce size bottles of Gain fabric softener for $6.95 and then clip the $2 off Gain softener digital coupon. Grab one of the big 129-ounce size bottles of Downy fabric softener for $9.95 and then clip the $3 off Downy softener digital coupon. And then finally, grab one bottle of Dreft liquid laundry detergent for $9.95 and then clip the $3 off Dreft digital coupon. When we add everything up before coupons, our total retail value comes to $26.85. We have $8 worth of coupons, so that makes our subtotal $18.85. Minus that 5 off 25 Saturday digital coupon makes our final total only $13.85 plus tax out of pocket for everything. For our 10th laundry deal, you could grab one of the 150-ounce size bottles of extra laundry detergent for $5.50 and then clip the $1 off extra laundry detergent digital coupon. Grab one of the big bottles of Arm & Hammer laundry detergent for $11 and then clip the $2 off of one Arm & Hammer laundry detergent digital coupon. Grab one bottle of Lysol laundry sanitizer. It is $6 and then clip the $1.50 off Lysol laundry sanitizer digital coupon. And then finally grab one bottle of Clorox fabric sanitizer for $4 and then clip the $1 off of one Clorox fabric sanitizer digital coupon. When we add everything up before coupons, our total retail value comes to $26.50. We have $5.50 worth of coupons, so that makes our subtotal $21. Minus that 5 off 25 Saturday digital coupon makes our final total only $16 plus tax out of pocket for everything. Thank you so much for watching today's video. I really hope it helps you to save money this week. Leave me a comment down below and let me know what you think of not only today's deals, but also what you think of the makeover of my deal videos. I'm really anxious to see what you guys think. If you haven't already subscribed here to my YouTube channel, I would love for you to click on that subscribe button and help show my channel some love. And don't forget to click on the notification bell as well and turn on all notifications. That way when I do any future deal videos or I do one of my fun couponing after dark live chats I do multiple times a week, you won't miss out. And I'll see you in the next video.